This video guides you through enabling or disabling Android flash notifications, a hidden accessibility feature that helps you stay alert for calls and messages using camera or screen flashes. Follow these simple steps carefully. Go to the Settings app menu by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon in the quick panel. Next, scroll down and tap Accessibility, which is usually marked with a human figure icon in the main settings menu. After that, look for Advanced Settings or Additional Settings, depending on your device model, and tap it to continue. Now, select Flash Notification, where you will see options for camera flash notification and screen flash notification. Toggle the switches according to your preference to turn them on or off instantly. Finally, you can test it by asking someone to call or send a message and checking the flash response on your screen or camera. You have successfully enabled or disabled Android flash notifications, giving you a smart visual alert system for calls and messages anytime your phone is on silent mode. Tip: if you do not see the flash notification option, make sure your phone software is updated to the latest version. Go to Settings, then Software Update, and download any available updates. Some devices may place this feature under Hearing Enhancements instead of Accessibility, so check both menus carefully. Also, keep in mind that enabling screen flash may slightly reduce battery life, while camera flash is brighter and more noticeable in daylight. Adjust settings based on your environment and personal preference for the best experience. Small tweaks can make a big difference in daily usability. Overall user comfort improved.